Hello guys. So there is a good news for us that they have solved the issue. So the task 1 and task 2 of it has been removed. So we can do the remaining the last two. So we'll start with that. Selecting the bus. Again a bus. Verify. So you can see here only these two are we have to do. So we are going to login. Next. Login next. Activate console shell. What's this? Activated. Uh, for the first terminal, we can paste this, copy paste these commands. Directly go to the third task, that is start the Windows VM. So we are launching an instance. So we can use the next terminal. Control V and enter. We'll check that is being done or not. Invalid network. Okay. Need to wait till it's get executed. So what's there? Yes, they have removed this also and this deploy also. Yes, we'll see about whether this error has been issue resolved or not. We are not doing, but just for checking purpose. Till the times our commands are executing. We'll check this. No need, but we'll see. It's there. Then what was the next? About the free trial. Yes, this one. Check for the launch. Just check these two launches. That's it. No need to do anything. With all the get executed. Creating a firewall. We'll check again. Yes, our instance has been created. Creating. Yes, great. So the last one is to make this two instance again. So again Control V, and in the next tab Control V and enter. These two instances also will get created. 1, 2. Wait till is being created. Status should be running. Yes, we also done. So now we have done with the learn to earn challenge. All the event are done for this. All the things are done. Check my progress, and yeah, we go with 100. Great guys, you can do. Thank you guys.